Updating your legal name on your TNG wallet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Open the TNG Wallet app. Launch the TNG Wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once in the app, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu under your account icon. Step 3. Select Update Personal Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the name matches the identification documents you will provide for verification. Step 5. Submit your changes for verification. After entering your new name, submit the changes. You may be required to upload identification documents to verify your name change. Follow the prompts to complete the submission process. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed. Keep an eye on your notifications for any updates regarding the status of your name change.